Good morning, brother. I like your hat. I like your shirt too.
I like your shirt.
Dude, I literally feel like brothers right now.
I like it.
How surprised are you about me putting you there?
I didn't even know it was coming. So I was completely like, what the frick?
Hey, for today's video, I wanted you to be a part of it. Remember that one time you went truck surfing with this truck last time?
Oh, I was gonna do that again today.
I want to do that for a challenge. I want to do last person to fall wins. Would you be down to do it with me?
Yes. Make sure whoever's driving, be careful because it's really dangerous.
Okay. You like dangerous stuff, so you can be part of it.
Yeah, but it could get too dangerous, so I want to make sure it's safe. It's calculated risk.
Corey, you know, I have around 171 orders right now.
Really?
And about 40 of these lately were these. Everyone loves them. You guys have been going crazy. Thank you for the support. So for today's challenge, we have a moving truck. This thing is 26 feet long. And the goal is to stay standing for as long as possible, and the last person standing wins. We're gonna get all my friends involved, and we're gonna see who's gonna fall first. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Come here, my love.
Like if that was me, thank you.
All right, we got Charlie in the driver's seat. Good luck, guys. Got all my friends in the back. Are you guys scared?
I'm excited! No.
I love it. Mixed emotions.
I'm excited for this one.
No.
Are you scared?
No.
Are you scared?
Nope.
I'm not going anywhere. So, these are the rules, guys. You cannot hold the railing. Well, what the heck? Last person standing wins. Dude, so the goal is to not fall down, okay?
Right now it feels pretty easy.
This is feeling pretty chill.
We just started. Nothing's happening.
My whole career is based off of balancing on people's hands, so I better win this.
Good luck, Britt.
All right, so we're moving.
All right, I like this.
We can stop at any second right now. Any second.
All right.
Oh my God.
I am meditating.
You gotta like watch the road so that you know what's coming up.
All right, everyone needs to do a standing 360. Go, go, go. Go when you're ready. Got it. Did it. All right. Oh, is this illegal?
I don't think it's illegal.
I don't think this is allowed.
Go in the dirt.
No, he's not. Oh, he's going on the dirt.
Oh, dang it. We're doing the dirty. No, we're not doing it.
Go slow.
Nobody's falling yet.
Oh, my God. I'm too tired. They both fell. My body's leaving.
What if you have to jump and touch your knees like this?
God.
I think we should stand on one leg.
Together? We're in one leg. This is so crazy right now.
Oh, my God. I'm so crazy right now.
Oh my God. Watch the bush, watch the bush. Oh! Oh! Oh God. Oh my God. I almost ran to the wall. Yo, is anyone that like have the calves that are burning yet?
Oh, I can feel it right in my butt cheeks.
I'm feeling
Oh.
energized. I'm ready.
Good neighbor.
Oh! Capri Sun bathtub. Every time you visit Capron.com, you help get a Capri Sun into this tub. I live and breathe in this thing. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe. Capron.com, thank you. Together, we're gonna achieve the possible, getting our logo on one of these pouches. Please help me out and subscribe. Love you. We've been driving for 5 minutes now, no one's falling.
We're doing so good.
It's like a parade.
This is the funk float.
Capron, you gotta jump with your eyes closed. Ready? 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, jump.
We should do the float.
Hi. Hi.
My.
That was so gnarly.
Oh, we're about to go on the highway?
Is this challenge too easy? Maybe I didn't think it through.
Actually focus. Look at the sides. This is the sketchiest.
I got my toes are asleep, my butt's cramping.
Someone's gotta fall.
Let's go, Capron! Let's go, Billy! 1, 1, 2, 1.
bros, we've gone down this hill.
There's a dirt hill over there.
Alright, feet together for 5 seconds.
Alright, we're in the back of a moving truck going 40 miles an hour. We're each gonna send a flip. Let's go!
Didn't they just go?
Alright, hold it.
Alright, Drew, get it.
Alright. Oh my god.
How you doing, bro?
Hi. I wonder what the neighbors think going by seeing a bunch of kids in the back of a moving truck. It's like an extreme field trip.
Alright, I asked the driver to up the skill level for us, guys.
Dad, I'm gonna trip over.
Yo!
Are you okay?
Oh my god!